It's different. We starting the video in the car. Of course, why not? Come on now. Yo, listen, I'm straight out of a surgery room. I took my wisdom teeth out. That ain't fun for anybody that has done it. Damn, you know. So like right now, I'm talking, but it's because I took the pill. I took some painkiller, so I get to talk a little bit. And now I'm just, as you can see too, teddy bear is like on my truck, because of course we had to take it out. A couple put me over yesterday, and he was like, yeah, we ain't having that. So I had to take it out for me to not get a ticket. So I took it out smart way, you know. I don't want to pay no ticket. Hey, we are missing Kevin, but it's alright. We got Felipe and we got Fernando. So the team is never complete. I don't know what it is, but it's either one missing or the other. He did a pull and I stopped recording. Like, alright, come on, Fernando. Go off-road. Come on, Fernando. Take that hard. But first, we gotta make sure we don't break anything. Fernando's too low. I'm too low. So we're gonna make sure. Slow boys. Yes. We're gonna make it. Yeah. They all black. Yeah. Come on, let's break this. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey. Stop on all that. So we don't gotta deal with that. Like, look at this. We gotta. Damn, that car. Oh, hold on. That car looking hella good. Hell yeah. Damn, Felipe. What you got going on here? What you got cooking? Damn, those headlights though. Hey, that's something you gotta give to me, man, bro. They're headlight. Crazy. Pégate más para allá. Dale para adelante. Está bien, ahí mismo, dale para allá. Keep going, yeah. Sheesh. The truck. Hey. Ooh, that's close. Straight. Go back straight. Dale. Yeah, keep going. Damn, that's so close. You barely made it. Come on. Barely made it. Go ahead. Bro, you know who's gonna have trouble making this? Yeah, that's gonna be me. I don't know how you don't get pulled over with those tits, my boy. Shit. Damn. You gotta be careful now. Where? Wonderland? Iceland? I don't know, man. You gotta be somewhere. Okay. Hey, come on. Why are you guys making fun of my jacket? My jacket, like, come on now. Come on. Come on, Fernando. Just don't do what you did last time. Yes, sir. Let me talk. Kevin, sir, he's gonna be here in 10 minutes. Alright. Bro, come on, it's just a manual, nothing special. I don't know how we're gonna make it low key, because it's all snow. So, I don't know. Let's see. Oh no, that's not good. Yo, come on. You gotta keep going straight. Come to the left a little. Keep going. Just make sure whatever you do, don't stop completely. Keep going. I told you not to let the car. No! That's how far we can make it. No! Keep going, keep going. All right, we gotta push it. We gotta have to push it a little. Ah! Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Feli, help me push. Feli, help me push. We gotta make it, we gotta make it. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, we acting like we're doing something. We ain't doing anything. Keep going. Don't stop. Yeah. Now we're missing Kevin.
Yo, this nismo in production.
I stopped recording for a little bit, goddammit. Yo, that gotta go. That sound gotta go. That sound gotta go. I see. I think we heard Kevin. Oh, right there. Hey! No! Finally, look who showed up. Look who showed up. Bro, turn around. Back into the alley. Sheesh. Hey, we missed it. We missed this. Damn, baby, that car look good. Like black car and the snow, they look crazy. Push up. Why you all over that side, bro? You all over this side. Now we got all the cars. We're gonna head out. All the boys heading out. Damn. Yo, it's so sad. I lost my key. Now I'm using the spare key. Man, I hope I find it. Lost it at work too. That sucks. No idea how this road is, and we decided to come this way. So I hope I can make it. I really do. Because if no, we're gonna be effed up. Like we got Audi Quattro. So of course they ain't gonna go nowhere. I mean, like they ain't gonna stop nowhere. No, this is the wrong street. This is a dead end. No, bruh, we gotta turn around. Boy, how to do it. So we hit a ditch. We finally crashed. God, I hope nothing's wrong with I don't think nothing's wrong with a bumper, honestly. But we gotta take it out. I don't wanna step on the snow. So right now we tried a couple things. So now we took all the snow out a little bit, as much as we could. So now we're gonna try. Now we're gonna try to take out the car. God damn it. Damn, bro, it sucks. You said what? Yeah. We gotta pull it. Two people. No, you jump in the back.
No, I would have to.
Hey, two grab the pillar and one grab the back. Okay, the moment of truth. What do we break? That's just the coolant that we threw, right? No way, bro. Why? Hey, it's intact though. Nothing broke. I don't think nothing broke. Yo, we made it safe. hey, that's not gonna happen again. That's not gonna happen again, bro. And no, that's like that. That's like that. It's like right here. Oh, the support's right. Yeah, the support's right here. So, well, yo, when we were coming up the street, I said it to myself, bro. I hope I can get out of this street. Hey, something had to happen. No. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go to the location that I told you. No. A dramatic moment. We're at the gas station because I'm empty. So of course. Oh, I didn't turn my car on. I mean off. Right there. Turn it off. Turn the B off. There we go. Kevin is fueling up too. Fernando. No, Fernando. Oh yeah, Fernando is also fueling up. Oh, then. Yes, sir. We finally got the Type R on the video, so let's see. Kevin, all you gotta do is take the metal out, bro.
No, bro.
It's so bro, stop saying bad words on the video. Hey, it's alright. Nothing happened. Just a couple things. No, nothing happened. It's good. Car is flawless. Came out of that flawless. Yes, sir. Looking nice. Looking nice. That's good. That's good. Jeez. Crazy. Now we're recording the last spot, and then we're gonna go home, eat or whatever. I haven't eaten anything, so I'm pretty sure the guys haven't ate either. So we're gonna just end up going home after this. So yes, let me show you the spot actually. This look like Iceland. But look good, look good. It's looking good. Hell yeah. We got all the cars. We got Felipe over there on the front. Who's that? Oh, he's gonna park so the other car can come. I'm like, why he's parking? My goodness. This is it for today's video. Just a little vlog for you guys. Yeah, just recording a couple reels like always, like usual. But yeah, we got some pretty nice roller like right now. So those are gonna be pretty good. Fernando. That's good, that's good, that's good. Yeah, bro. Crazy. Yeah. All right. And we out.